What's been your reaction to Elon Musk sealing the deal here, making it official today?
Ladies, hello. Happy Monday. Thanks for having me. No, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. And I look up to Elon as an entrepreneur, as a businessman, and as someone that makes the world a better place. In my opinion, his existence has been net positive. And I think I've always thought that an open payment standard that allows for natively digital physical settlement. That sounds crazy, but it's a cheaper, better, faster, more inclusive, inherently innovative payment standard suits internet businesses tremendously well. It allows natively digital companies to enable natively digital payments. And I don't think we've ever seen a social network really exercise that muscle. And it seems like Elon's been hinting at it. And I'm very, 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 very excited to see it come to reality. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Jack, so many people don't realize that there's already a relationship between Strike and Twitter. Twitter said last year that tipping with Bitcoin would be made available over the Lightning Network with you guys. How far has that gone so far, and where else could it go now?
Yeah, I think that over the last 12 months, there's been a lot of belief and interest in this concept of creator economy as more and more of the creator world lives now on the web. I kind of want to take a step back for a second, though, and revisit payments as a whole. Payments as we know them today, how do you digitally move a piece of paper? How do you digitally move a rock? How do you digitally move a bar of gold? Trick question, you can't. And so all of the payments that are predicated on older assets are promises of future settlement. And that's where you get intermediaries like banks and card networks that facilitate these payments. They make them really expensive. They make them really slow. They inhibit other people in the world that they don't serve from participating. For the first time ever, guys, we have an asset, a physical bearer instrument that's digital. It's a mind-blowing concept. How do you move a physical Bitcoin digitally? What do you mean? That's part of how it works. And so not only can we do creator payments, Twitter can do micropayments. Twitter can enable a creator's economy. Twitter could check out at a Starbucks if they're both on the Bitcoin Lightning Network. And so I think when you lower the barrier of entry to a physical bearer instrument, you don't need to be issuing credit. Right. You don't need to be promising debt. You don't need to be regulated to make payments and facilitate payments. So I think Twitter could do anything, really.
You work with the Lightning Network that is very, very Bitcoin oriented, but we're seeing Bitcoin and Dogecoin rise on the back of these announcements. So what do you think about the potential for Bitcoin, other currencies, Dogecoin? We are seeing them drop a bit now as well, but we have seen them rise on the excitement of Elon Musk and Twitter.
Yeah, you're seeing everything in the world rise on excitement because the Federal Reserve and other central banks are perverting risk tolerance across all assets, and it's scaring the dear life out of everybody. And so everything is more appealing than holding dollars or just something that's going to bleed to death. And so I wouldn't take a lot of noteworthiness that Dogecoin is up. So is the couch in my living room over there. Who cares? Bitcoin is a known monetary policy. A fixed supply. It is the best asset ever. It's better at being a central bank than central banks. It's also better at being Visa than Visa. It's also better at being Western Union than Western Union. It's also better at being Chase than Chase. Why do I need to focus my time on anything else? I think we have a lot of work to do on empowering the world with the greatest tool that will ever be invented, at least in my lifetime. And so I don't really get distracted by the noise. Whether my couch in my living room is up a little bit or Dogecoin don't really matter to me because, I don't know, the dollar's down. That's what that means.